Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you the harvest that I've made. Okay, this is fall and I had to harvest my vegetables now, otherwise it's gonna go bad. Okay, so I had to harvest all my habanero peppers. Those some are still growing in my garden and I am out here in my garden. Okay, this is where I come to get fresh air. Okay, so yeah, I harvested so much this year 2020. My garden did so well. I mean, everything that I planted did very well. The okras, the bitter leaves. This is bitter leaf behind me here. These are all bitter leaves. So my chow, that saint leaf, my basil, everything was doing really well. Everything did very well. But for today I'm going to show you the peppers that I harvested. It's a lot, and this is going to take me for a long time, more than a year. Okay, so when I tell you it's a lot, so let me show you the harvest that I made. Okay, and I'm so excited because this is really expensive at the store. I think they said it $5 per pound. Yeah, $5 or $6 per pound, but here I am getting it fresh, farm organic from my garden. I don't have to worry about going to the store, grocery store, to buy peppers because I cook pepper. I mean, I like spicy food, so that's one of the reasons why I had to plant it. Okay, so keep watching. Let me show you my bountiful harvest. Okay. So guys, all together so far I harvested 9 full Ziploc bags of habanero peppers. So this is it. I had to put them in Ziploc bags. This is it. So let's go closer to it and so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So guys, I am returning my peppers back to the freezer. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed this video, my garden harvest, please give me a thumbs up, share this video to motivate some other person or to encourage some other person to, you know, start your own gardening at your backyard. It's very easy to do, okay? And you're gonna harvest so much, you're gonna get so much, you know, from your garden if you plant it, okay? So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it, and please click that subscribe button, that red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. I upload videos at least 2 times every week, okay? So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.